If Slack is showing error code 105, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and effective fixes you can try right now to get Slack working again. This is usually caused by an internet issue, a network conflict, a VPN or proxy problem, or even a browser cache issue. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a speed test and see if your connection is stable. Slack needs a reliable internet connection, so if your speed is very slow or the connection keeps dropping, that could be the reason you're seeing error code 105. If the result looks weak, try moving closer to your router or restarting your modem and router before testing again. Next, try switching your network. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, disconnect and try using a mobile hotspot instead. If you're on a hotspot already, switch back to Wi-Fi. Sometimes Slack has trouble connecting on one network but works perfectly on another. This simple test helps you figure out whether the problem is your current connection or Slack itself. Once you switch networks, refresh Slack and check whether the error is gone. If that doesn't work, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Slack's connection and trigger error code 105. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off completely. If your browser or system is set up to use a proxy, disable that too. After doing that, open Slack again and see if it loads properly. In many cases, removing the VPN or proxy instantly fixes the issue. Now let's clear the browser cache, which is another common cause. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Choose the cached files and any related browsing data you want to remove, then clear it. A corrupted cache can stop Slack from loading correctly, especially if the app or website was updated recently. After clearing the cache, fully close and reopen your browser, then go back to Slack and refresh the page. Finally, refresh Slack itself. If you're using the web version, do a hard refresh or simply reload the page. If you're using the desktop app, close it completely and open it again. Sometimes Slack just needs a fresh connection after you've changed your network, disabled a VPN, or cleared your cache. This final refresh can be the step that makes everything work again. So to recap, if you're dealing with Slack error code 105, first check your internet speed, then switch networks, disable any VPN or proxy, clear your browser cache, and refresh Slack. One of these steps usually solves the problem fast. If the issue is still happening after that, it may be worth restarting your device and trying again later. But in most cases, these fixes are enough. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.